Okoman for sports for any Jumedi di kan by answer somebody me ba betenase na matenase a me no be ye fiti sambre ya kosi eye nonsia na ansa na nonsia bebo no eye ni jesem kasade ensem bigini ensem poro ensem asambre ebe yu how ensem asambre ebe yu dadwen ensem asambre ebe mo wasro ensem asambre ebe hye unkuran. This is a full infotainment program. Me Nana Kwame Perry. Ubeti me from the finest me di hu dwumadi and I me di hu chiame edi amao. Na siraka se enkoman maboafo abribiara omota machi. Na mebeso mo makronkron Ghana osompa. Me di ho enkoman Victor Oheneda Kolisto Wall aka the boy. Me producer. Evi asiraka se enkoman DJ Donzi. Samsona DJ Ziggy B, Nana Korea, and if it Calvin and Ponsa Eddie. Me da Ghana say, me do Kwapema say, me da Pio Mantema say Abribiara, Mode Mason FM me, Etie Jumedie, Adu ma drinchre, ene mumwa, Edite Jumedie echi. Nakayo. Jumedi ne Akwaba Drive. No waje me say ofie pe. Akwaba mame, Akwaba eja, Akwaba sambre akura, Akwaba bushia, Akwaba nuanom, Akwaba adofo, me mamu nyina Akwabo. Welcome. Where's Lord? Akwaba. Welcome, with Lord Akwaba, bon arrivé.
Okoman Kasa, Okoman Radio 97.1.
We are different, yo. Missing my one difference, yo. What it? Sana different, so move. Sana different, so move. Yes, we are different, yo.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mechi, anantia. Afena me who difference. Missing different, so move. Yes, we are different, yo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Anantia, a phenomenon difference. Me see difference, so move. Yes, we are different, yo.
We are blazing.
Ma so Sarah, my shishay. I won't be brashay. Make all Togo, make all Benin, make all India. Na some man will not shame. Me go Afghanistan, me through China, the baby in Nigeria, or Jimmy one ya menina. Me say me who no difference yo. Say no difference so move, say no difference so move. Yes you are different yo. Me say me who no difference yo. Yeah. Say no difference so move, say no difference so move. We are different, yo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Make you bring your money, bring your luggage. I said bring your dollars. Everything I go find, oh. Everything I go find, oh. Oga, bring your dollars. He go find you. I said bring your money. He go go find you. I said bring your jewels, he go find you. Bring your gold, he go find you. Everything I correct you. Next one go see yes, and I want it done. Boy and Pateku, and you put the pep for your sumu, you're different, yo. Missing why and Pateku, and you put the pep for your sumu, you're different, yo. Missing my one difference, yo. Send a difference, send a difference, yes, sumu, you're different, yo. Many that's what I go sister Mishia Yesu. Missing my one difference, yo. Yeah. Send a difference, send a difference, yes, we are different, yo. Hey, oh yeah, me pupro. Oh yeah, me pasa. Many that's what I go sister Mishia Yesu. Missing my one difference, yo. Send a difference, send a difference, yes, we are different.
It's this radio man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hey, send a difference, send a difference, yes, we are different, yo. Missing my one difference, yo. What it? Send a difference, send a difference, yes, we are different.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman you, Okoman Jenny, the crowd. 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Yes, baby. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okoman Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh, congrats, romantic, Muyo. Metiasio, Muyo. Metiasio, Muyo.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. It's station where the man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh, congrats, romantic, Muya. Metiasio, Muyo. Metiasio, Muyo.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. It's station where the man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. It's station where the man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Mami wabaye. Why are they? I want to be dear. Empire bompai wa. She say on fumedria new. Papa so baye. What more I want to be Kasa? She empire bompai wa. She say oh dear dance ye. Minia be so baye. Na onya ye furu bao. Empire bompai wa. She say ni bashene chire.
Oh,
Yame wewu. Baby I need dance one yen. Wonyame bemwa. Eni ji ahye homa. Onyame odimafo. Adimafo mweni. Onyame wonkwa. Mama nusu asire. Mama ba kwa yampem. Mama wonyina wontau. Adiden bichira befie. Onyame odimafo. Odimafo mweni. Onyame wonkwa. Mama nusu asire. Mama ba kwa yampem. Mama wonyina wontau. Adiden bichira befie. Onia sodie.
Na samiri wan sorry amayan tuntum asafu Yehowa wo ya yemfomoso wo ya fompa esana sir joy like a river, joy like a river. What was so? Samira and Nija Srunko Sambre Osrusro Yini Yankopon Aya Bia Funyame Ododu nyina Nyankopon asamre. Oya titi be me Nyankopon a empempem etwere no so na basambu da biara da no. Adoma odi adom mini umienu. Enkakra. Eniama bia ye ni nna so se ewurade ebeye ma ye sesi a oguso ye. Hwe ubara abra covid trinity wo hu. Ekopia mu se abushia emiamia bebre wo hono ma nipa dumpo entimi nhia. Ba ye da twedi ampon kwa me na se. Enne aye na adom aye na humobo. Yenya ni se ube follow aye protocol measures no. Aye koso fine. Adofo wedding koso fine. Jumadi ahodo bebre na koso. Minua ema wa bamumu. The road to success, it is very rough. A country ya faswa ya di konkuni di omuno. Abushia enya ize kura. Enti ana wiei. Minim baby a ubutu. Ana minim adekodi a wore ye. Nemo jitum. Se asafu Yehowa no rekasa. Okasa gu ankran bia brabo mu enti abarisa no enne minkran sam nyina mede mamu nyina gina nwom wei so tie nwom wei na tobi na fa akomapa na fa gidie na fa adwempo soronko fata nwom wei ati nwom wei nwom a awiabrei wa wani da so asa wa wo hawasa sabre wa tete ekosoro wa sabre ofisa urade yi wutotwere wa ofisa sabre abushia baby a wudi uti ba hye na sabre red card ni e show tie nwom wei.
I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Atum, hey, atumo, nyame, atumo.
Okoman Radio.
Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Atum.
Okoman Radio.
Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Atum. Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness, grace, and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my grace is centered on your grace. Could not have made it without you. Yeah. Could not have sailed through without you. By your loving kindness and grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my faith is all centered on your grace. I love Atum.
So the essence of my praise
is centered on your grace.
Adum. Way and I hear way any empire bo. Midi kind attitude ja ekatre Matthew for say. Abri biara samre obekwa uhyehiam. Abri biara samre ahochire ohaw animguase osai bia bonsam no abahye ade amon. Esa se eba wa brabo so a ade ba akopɛ na mensrɛ atiefo fa ho twere twedi amponkwa me bomoden asa wudi wani da so beto awurade so esa ne se ongu wani mu ase akwanuasa nyina so. What you do today can improve all your tomorrow. What you do today will improve all your tomorrow. Adie bia wo ye no enne no kayo asasek papa no eye bebre se bode ne koye bebre a na wo daachi e na oguso a ese no me say adie bia wo de asi wani so se wo beye eni suade hunu bia wanya wo wabrabo mu adie bia da wakoma ponso se ogididie Sabri ameno kase minua madamfo abusia eni pobebre na wo mu asambre esani se ebia ohia esiam se sambre atwitwa 19 esani se sambre meno kase unyanya akonya ne ye awurade bebie pun bia de amon awurade bebọ kwan to baabi akwan ni esani se Oni ni mintimiri nyankopon asamri wadoni kokromoti ayentimi nsa no ho mopo aye bia fu nyankopon no ono na samre wadoni dunsi osi kwa fifiri bu abrefo oche sunyame ochemani su obia so anidaso nyina sa ka se otiasefo nyankopon wo no mobesamu anidaso foforo abra samre Shadrach Meshach ni Abednego yadi omukogu funu mu no asamre adofo nyina fisa omo kosia sai wo pie ni wo pie so wo pie se ememem wo pie so samre won ho fenu se bi kura beka ho awurade nya oba mbofo awurade ntew nani manfama wo awurade ni mpagya wo na onyu efi wo hawo wababre se akwanhia bia bo wabrabo so ono awurade ni twitwanyo na afoforo unsampa wo yote asefo nyankopon ename mpaibo no se wo pa yafura wo ba awurade enam dwumadi a wo tie su bi anum bi me mpaibo no se samre adwuma no wo hwehwe mu kwan a wo nya awurade nam dwumadi a wo tie su bi anum bi me mpaibo no se samre wo pa eye akonya bi ade atukwan akwa aburotira awurade nam program yusu fando mu bi eyadom eyawurade adom ene yeda so tiase
It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my morning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness.
Mimfasira kasiam fama Acro Farms Limited.
So the essence of
Omadama.
is centered on your
And I'm a bomarding adi of Fedi Kane Eddie Abreu. And you're 31 after 3. And now you're Zali the 7th day in the month of October 2021. This is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. Waini and Nasrunko Radidia Tumuyan. As I say, my energy. Na sabre ya tuntumno ni yare kasia osese ya nanasia obama emosia asoria beyina ye wamaya nkwa wamaya hoden wamaya nyansa yatimi akoye nyuma so sabre yenya yatimi apon adwuma na sabre ya bedu fie Afe adofo so ansana. Mopo adwuma, mo so afia se adwuma hyase. Awurade ntu na nimu mfama mo. Barma me fast da kase pa mfama Acro Farms for. Asama Acro Farms for kan say. Abuja enkokoi eyenkoko ayato awie. Sponge layers e. Ana sambre ya iboni don komi. Enkokoi enwo na, me ka say enwo na, ne bo no kra. Wudi baabi ebi wo kra enkyere se koto. Eji sa wu tie mi a. Acro Farms are titi spent layers you so Oma titi spent layers you so Eji choba ahodo. Restaurant ahodo. Ankronkron mode enkoko edi dwumadie. Emiri nie. Bomade afu ani kire apasare. Wo sabeka Acro Farms Limited e wo ho. Wo sabeka enkoko ya bomade to awia ye from spent layers yi. Natio esane say yate so e de aba 18 Ghana cedi nti. Yentone baako. Wo beto a abusua kabom na beto no bebre na dwumadie bia wo de kodi bia fa kodi ni pepepe na gisa wo to 200 pieces or more sana Acro Farms mpanyini akire ne na sambre ye wo 12 weeks koko enkoko ma sambre ya bomadi ya bom mpani e safata koko si ya bom mpani e bi ti se Maris 8B1 Gamboro NFA 4 pox Eju bomadi ya beto a wutimi di ni kosi fichire wo baabi to adwi mu ubewu ane se 12 weeks pepepe wayo bolo wutimi di ni jidwumade bia safata Eji Acro Farms Limited sebra na baje enkoko na enkoko no so fomo godi dwumade bia safata se yede enkoko di spent layers kokosi ena meto safra so abusua bomade tutu anamo na kotobi frempani e wo 0245 187871 0245 187871 and 055 3339 Acro Farms Limited Osebra na baje enkoko papa kindness grace and mercy na me ka go say uko Facebook a Okoman 97.1 Okoman ye Okoman 97.1 wonsa ebeka dwumadie live ewo ho na won so comment eno submissions wobomodin de aguwo fa ye beje mre e kan ni nyina de amon Instagram Okoman 97.1 Sounds on YouTube Okoman 97.1 Afe wobomodin kopie mu wa Twitter nso a Okoman 97.1 It's on all your social media handles no Yawo ho woni ye betimi adi nsa wo so na nia wo pasa woni ye kabia wakruche agu wo fefefe yanso ye beje mre ne akan no soronko adi amawo na kayo dwumadi awasuguso awutie Akwaba Drive ya from Nana Kwame Perry ubetimi from the finest amema nyina ka hwere me enne Thursday throwback Thursday afternoon on Okoman 97.1 radio. Me mamu nyina Akwabo.
Okoman radio 97.1. Okoman radio. Okoman radio 97.1. Okoman radio. Okoman radio 97.1. Okoman radio 97.1. 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio 97.1. 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 Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Adwaya me, Yaya me, Rubia, why am I water, why am I dado? Adwaya me, Yaya me, Rubia, why am I water, why am I dado? Adwa, Nimiha, where am I? Memphis, one other material, come at it, be any already. Asmami came about, yeah, and I have
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
And one of the opera, they say, I come and welcome. New timers, my way, Madame, I was swap. Why am I? William McQuarrie, Trimpen, and Casa, we are baby.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Open up them now, boom for them. With my dear, Yatato, Yasangro, Akadia Bacope.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Am I went out yesterday? Laugh, we body, where I got them. I have you, I do I am a year, I am a crap. To be a why am I one, why am I done? I do I am a year, I am a
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
I do I am a year, I am a crap. To be a why am I one, why am I done? I do I am a year, I am a
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Let it up, let it up.
Okoman Radio, 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
My friend, we have Yamia, that's when I didn't you remember Pia, don't have loose, kind of brat, now blow juice, or comfort, Tim and Ghana, use. Oh, look, imagine I see me accused. Your papa, my children back, your tata, your good feelings. I will be
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
And I'm over here. I could actually we went Jack for cat, where Chanama for tea. I am here. At the actual yard and now. I'm on a conwa, no, to watch now. At me, maybe if you come down, who's that? Tabu, no, I was man, come in, son, I'm a fool. Yeah, and a sigh, I'm a die. Some son, or bad, I am sorry. You bet your bow. Man, come in, son, I'm a fool. Yeah, and a sigh, I'm a die. Some son, or bad, I am sorry. You bet your bow. Man, come in, son, I'm a fool. Yeah, and a sigh, I'm a die. Some son, or bad, I am sorry.
Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Nakoma who's a birthday. Sophie and a breath here now watch it. Me notice a 2+2. And you're the bear 4. Or from me, I swear no ball. French needs the Sophie, Sherrico Coast, you vote ready do, or what, Onikoto, about family, live by your show. No, I take away, no, Abo, and ya, bro, deal double G, do and yen, drop. I am in a matter why you're come on. My own Adam, no, I am a Howard, Timaya summer. Yeah, dear, anything that old dear, and you're come in, no, loving your day. You don't you have holidays, Yanni Morris, baby face, with the annual chia Joe, come from my book trainer to Suntia, and come proud, or bonny lazy dog, Yami a shout, or comfort never on the train, money material, you bet your man, some inside or bad, I am sorry, you bet your bow, man, come in, son, I'm a boo, yeah, and I am a die. Some inside or bad, I am sorry. Hey, oh, ha, yet my one, what you got, I'm when you press the lamp, body punch, Coca-Cola, come from you, match, you come out, I'm a dream, not a pala. Yeah, come from me, I say, when you may woo, I'm a lie. Me, I'm here, walk on for me, will be a my friend, who boy, me a killer, big killer, no, the mouth fell, and I'm not an easy car. Eddie Campos, Jimmy Buddha, Santala, the Batman, Roll and Tala, the girl,
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, Obrega Jane do, and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't say, intimate to be a Okoman FM, 97.1. Ah, we need side.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Yeah, yeah, it's I am a die. Something's out of my man, come in inside of me, yeah, and it's I am a die. Something's
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, or play say Ghana do, and say follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't press with Tia. Intimate to be but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, who needs size? Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, or play say Ghana do, and say follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't press with Tia. Intimate to be but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, who needs size?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh no, what the way back for me? Oh my God, big up in the Jessica Monica, take it to the dance floor. Oh, no sex in the champagne room. Go slow to set the bride and the groom. The one you millennium, can I get one freedom? And to be obey, yeah, just a condom. Condom, gonna mind your mama wisdom. Based on hand, from your hand, who are here, break your hand. Sit you away and get there. Who didn't the channel when you're old there, boom. Who watch on the one with the boom, boom, boom. They don't run out my feeling, they run out my healing.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. It's this radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Hey, groups when you know what you say here. VIP na film upgrade you call VIP. But still cry you. Hey Ghana. Ghana ni aye music groups there. Hey Asebo. Meantime, happy birthday Kasiapa and come on. Your fro Anita Adi. Anita Adi. Belated happy birthday Kasiapa and come on Anita Adi. Waifi kwabna asamwa nyame Dr. Ho. Osi nyame shraw. Nyame shraw bebre. Any wayam ye.
No sex in the champagne room. Go slow to
na abushia. Nyame pasa me kache we abre ene se. Ojura wei ebeye shisheshe. Ojura wei ebeye too tantalizing. Ojura wei die. Sani ankrofo ahia ojura wei so ankrofo mini so ojura yi. Yabebo modin di ne soronko no. Wodi etie me e. Abuja. Chill out restaurant Frefro. Na omasam ya semtia. I'm gonna chill out or draw time out bro. Not you on the 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th of October 2021. Chill out to be a demoroso papa. You were 14th for Ojura Akwaba Day Out. On the 15th, your Ojura Family Day Out. And to win your Bushiano, Boba Koho, and Yanibana Mubedi, and Yanana Yawahudu Baby, and Tiabushian and Kwaladimo, and Kwaladi Amona Yomayo. Na Awufoni Duko Conte, Edufufu, Amomubedi, Amutuo, Edu Amutuo, and in your account, cheese at in your account. Chill out to say, Odre, whoop baby, over to me, Didier Philippa, Broma share, what a croponic crapem, Africa on the 17th, you know, I meet me there, I will chill out. Ain't the program outline here, take note. On the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, and October 2021, Ayo Ojura Akwaba Day Out. On the 15th, Ayo Ojura Family Day Out. On the 16th, Ayo Chill Out Ojura Party Train. On the 17th, you meet me there. Nakayo, chill out to a continental. Any local dishes, you know. Nakayo Jumedie. Media sponsors in your Okoman 97.1 radio. It is powered by Chill Out Bar Restaurant. Chill out, I'll see you draw time out, you know. Together we create the fun. Friend Penny 4, so open your mobile prayer. I was 055-4039939. Now money be 055-4039939. And you chill out, you draw time out. I bet you demoroso wate. Na mamindi kan enchia.
Oh my God.
Across City Entertainment Boss, Shake the Bowl. Travel and See Youth Club. Fly Fun Club. And a local council of churches Akropone Kwapem. And if Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bempo. Assemblyman Dema Osambrom electoral area Michiamo Sambre Okoman in collaboration with Accra City Entertainment, Travel and Sea Youth Club, Fly Fund Air Club, Local Council of Churches, Akropone Krapem, any Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bempo, Assembly Member Dema Osambrom electoral area at the pre-Ojra Festival cleanup exercise Ebro Naka Jumadi Kachro Bino Bisun Kajo Bisa Sanyo Dre Adofuenia Brisa Yeba Gidigidino. You don't need to be told that Bomadians are one so Ubababua and Penny Michelin Penny Accra City Entertainment, Travel and Sea Youth Club, Fly Fan Club, Local Council of Churches Akropone Kapem, Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bampo, Na Yam Prapra Okapeman Abontenso, Nakai, Jumadi Anibasha here exactly 7 a.m. Pepe. Date, you know, 9th October. 9th October. Not just a 2 days Pepe. Na yabasha CFI Ebiru station ekosi aye council Akropon council Ebiru station ekosi Akropon council afe Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bempo enso ebefa ni brom na oma bomadia Rafis damp na wo honom ya bomadia hye ne kama Abra Sambre Accra City Entertainment for any local council of churches, any Fly Fan Club, afe Travel and Sea Youth Club. Yasu ya na Monteso praso no na omoso borders ahodo no omoso sini nyina kama na kai wo penchire mu a wo betimi afresh check the ball. I was 0246 382878 0246 382878 anasa wo betimi afresh Reverend Dr. Kwaisi on the chairman Edema Local Council of Churches Akropone Krapem. I was 0244 63516 0244 632516 and I've Onyam for Carlos. I was 0243 768184 0243 768184. What friend number CBA Ubetimi Ajinchiremu Bebre Asanka Nakayo Ayo Okoman and Eden Tuma Abo Accra City Entertainment, Travel and Sea Youth Club, Fly Fan Club, Local Council of Churches Akropone Krapem, Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bempo, Assembly Member Dema Eyo Osambrom electoral area, and he had the pre-Ojura Festival cleanup exercise. Ebro, me pacho come on, come on. That's it. Okay. Now happy belated birthday Kasiapa Enkoma Anita Eddie. Where do you me bapre kope from Kwabra Asamwa Nyame Doctor. I say Omawo awoda shonko Endra na wawoda. Na belated happy birthday Kasiapa Enkoma baby awobia. Chill out but don't freeze. Hey. Oh my God. Hey. Na peace Montessori in 24 minchao. Na min kancho say school papa was school yechia. Ani enyamba tie school where wo good access road no atro check. School assembly omukuta school bus papa. A drive was senkuta no experience tro check. Omu senkuta spacious classroom block check. Teachers nso a ewo ho no obi animode na kayo aside say your spacious classroom block no e your one teacher 12 student what tro check no me da say abani senti kwantimpon ediko ye school no eso da ho papa na wupe school assembly agin kwala fiti crèche nursery 1 afi primary 1 ekosi basic 5 ankwalei omo form so omo enti woyi woyam ebomodin ahwe wonyie and one Peace Montessori. Wo Hostel Junction a Cropon Equapum. Opposite impressive colors. A shoe fabric. Shoe fabric. Quantum Ponoswa. Wonsabeka Peace Montessori Ewo. From 050 5829 050 5829 and 020 01776676 020 01776676 and 0279 267523. Peace Montessori. I say one teacher, 12 students. That's it. That's it. Ow! 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 Now happy entertainment light and sound system on planning for say here. O grabe. Awo wo be ba besra wo pa. Enti awo wo rebe fimi. Esafata sa wo be mo magwa. Ana konwa amomatena so. Table so wo de behwe wo awo nnuane semu. Ni nyina fa beda won. Afe yanu mo ebebogwa. Ani afofura samre empanyini ye betena se awo afia kesim. Mumfa eye mu canopy sensem nyina beda won. Meka won na me kire happy entertainment light and sound system for. Wo canopy bi. Eba eye kon. Make. Afe lighting system ni sound system. Stage ahodoa ye didi dwumadie bia mane ye fa beda mo afa wo ye wedding reception engagement aye anasa dwumadie bi na si wani so a wo ba bedi a wo nya canopy and chairs fani nyina beda happy entertainment light and sound system for afa you like pub and restaurant abusua me no kasai ebe we waduane sam wonsasam a wo de behwe wa hwo wo manfie kwapem wo bamba bia everflow ajejo mususu no from 0275 042594 0275 042594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. Osi obema odwumedie no aye kiko ade amount. Na koforidia wo onum na wo tie media wo nyamfom so esane se shikome station ba akopenie na bomi Angelina kakra shikome no na fiti aye adonten me kire aburi ekoka aprede momodien kopiemu ewo asese so abonsen yempiem wo trom junction yenko so menya for oteredan se bibia boko wo so menya de afa yanu mamuwo eyesraha afa ponu mamuwo esuojaman akrade afa isamri amenu kasai ebibutu enuma papam akoso mofo ani yenkotwa kurusen kase ewo hohoi na fa yanko mepe aveme joje ewo Volta region ne yesamba ya chisade a yemomodi yanko piemu ewo nkurakan asese wafo michiamo na fa mi momodi yanko piemu ewo koforidia atisanyo mamu wa fidiase sushen Morovia afidiase fo nyina michechiamo adwosofo nyina michechiamo sushenfo nyina michechiamo etukrombu junction afa mu amu obum adantim na otenedan na fa mi momodi enchechiamo amu wo suhum na kase asaman kase obofo donhia na michiamo amu wonsamom konkondrufo michiamo ahwere ase na bibia bokode na fa michiamo amu wonpeduase empeduase dia na medu oyarefa eyimansa isle gonfo michiamo mamu applause nyina michiamo applause for michiamo nyina wo ho afemu asamre mu hospitals bawe adenta house nda adenta top base commandos na michiamo amu eye North Legon, East Legon, West Legon, Achimota for say La Paz, afe mu asamre mu apenkwa na minchia mu asamre mu ahaji sotuom anya atesen wo ho media kuntuse ama saman afe michia kev mufuo nyina wonsewom adowagirifo atesen wey the surface drive Akoba Drive station in Okoman 97.1 radio na me kind side ya na bushia me Charles dwumadie bia wo be piase bia ma wo honam ene oni pedua no entimi nkasa ma asasa obomadia fa wo ho tete na foforo wu sampa unie ode hye prekope eye wudin na me kanfo adia ma ho dwumadie bia wo bedi bia eye wudin no style bia bi wudin no jojo no style bia bi pam no style bia bi wo bisa ACP nom kwami telanom ene eye me stand ane afe wo bomadia ko bisa bra sami tela sampanifu amabobo mu din nyina wo bisa omo se entama eteda etaba ma so ye pa ye ntama ban obi abeka wudin afe wo bomadia de wani kire aya fashion designers ahodo wo a wo be hu se wudin wo wudin no na tese shop no bisa ho asem ezan ze wudin de the creator and for when dwumadi awoko wudin betimi ama ho aye fabro so ayefro na obeye engagement na obeye say ye wo pe material bia odo bedwodwo style papa bi dia fa ho aye wudin na tie wodi wani kire ene wudin shop bia e wo Ghana nationwide won sabeka wudin ahodo bebre abane saa nti ko for idiafo akuapem apie mantamu nyina yeso yade ewo Atlantic Plaza nim na wo wudin shop kasia pa wo ho entuko na kuso kwajo de wo ka wudin na o see the creator She go me. Matthew. Hey, she go me. No, bring this tune back. And you want to hear that what be? Brakasi in front for what? Adi ede. And you would demand a brusso. Over Zabaka. I'll share her. Adia daddy, why you won't depa? Adia de would dinisa. The dead Nameka adia da. Bibi any we are see a dessing brackets in a diane. Nano many mammy be edding como. Na encommodity anyone and who say, oh, say a branchy. Any mammy. Omo ye customers at the map bracketsing. Nami ka bracketsing as someone or WhatsApp was and do you also know there? Say, yes, I know there, pa. I know there, pa. Minimum pa. Me didi pa. Anything as somebody who tear me and for Sika and cause said we are the phone be. Nature be one son called Toyari and for mount. Na Adriani Papa, Chagu. Our bracketsing, I swear. A fried rice, one jollof rice, pizza, and chicken and chips, about potato chips, shawarma, banku, and tilapia. Yeah, etikabo moe, a banku and a tilapia, a weekend supper, and yes, Adriano. Afe samosa, meat pie, spring rolls, pineapple juice, and watermelon juice. Afe your drinks, no, ahudu bebre. Etimame papa, abushia. Wa wu tie me na wo pa bia ya sambre wo betimi anya aduane papa edi me che restaurant hotel a wansra entinguzo dabi ewane brakasin na brakasin asema mi kan ewe kropon ekwapem kayo bedi akudin fatana na fatana kono enti brakasin yaje agina mu ayebo ho ayedede ye ma afoforo hu o machi kwan esa ne se enuane pa omo yenti sabe wo ba ha ye hwepa enya ye beka cho se nye koye ni yie ni enka ho ma ba eyenti maji aginam anopa awia enwumere wo bedidi a fashion books mu eye brakasin if not brakasin wellness but one thing say wo very how much kwan wo we kropon wo be major pharmacy in between executive pub and office pub omo super bet na sepe from 0244 246431 and 0245 211386 brakasin na ose beji aduane pa na di na feeli Shikobe Maminchia aye kwasi citizen 4:13 me kwa kwaji aboafo nkrato aba na me kwaji nkrato ne ba enwum de ne edi kamba ye no ketewom ne aba no edoso since. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Don't flip your dial.
Ready my basa power. Chese wede na aka na nsa ped babe. Wo friends and aduanfo chese MC Kran sem basa bi no ka che. Mama my basa mi hunu amiyem.
Me do kan wa koma to yem. Me ni Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Ni you live pub and restaurant din komo dada. Wedding, funeral, float, anase parties ahodwa. Omutimi hihye dwumadi esronkoma na ya akono. Eba sound system, lighting, canopy, nkonwa any tables a owo ni josopo wo ho.
Chese one and that wobe very ni imagine fefe sa no
one eba stage kura dia wobe ma stage sonko eno ani Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. You like pub and restaurants so why a crowd say enuane papa ene nsa papa wode be hwa ho e dia ma wo man fie kwapem omo ben Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. And you like pub and restaurant omobema wedding no ayekiko hesa ne anoko mata ne was
oh I want my many aje
happy people
Mami awo dey be me need dey me to ache no I was say me pe ade a edem shronko e makwa no afiwe me pe African print fabrica eye fedi a cheche wo mawari ase
oh medo yen kwasra da weekend say to shirt for mano
ko wudin retail stores e wo men ha baabia na kwaje wo wudin ntu me edem shronko anase entade ye di designs edem fu na pempam de deda wokofobia ye retail shop e wo Antarctic Plaza building.
Woodin, le créateur.
Like a river.
Honey, me wo ya busumi anani o. Esese me san kwa adwuma. Na bom school papa be so me ben mama me. Ne metumi akoya adwuma asumdwe mu e na me dwen hu o.
Me do, ade wonti Peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crèche, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori ewo accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asambre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no e de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition and care there. Wontimi omo wodamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Enye won wo hostel junction hostel achi ho no. E ho de ne amate kra ne se. Wo hwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 me kire mufra dumie mpe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori ewo ekropon ekwapem. So pese woni omo kasa ewo ahomatrofo so a ananse wogi nchemu bi a frɛ number si 05058292661 and 0200177676 and 0279267523. Peace Montessori ana.
Wadomo frakeke.
Peace Montessori ana.
One teacher, 12 students.
Oh yeah. Straight from the top. Okay, up in mind. Are you ready? Ojiro. Ejiro, Chill Out Restaurant present Ojra Timeout. Michira October Busumi. Abushia on the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th of this month. Jengina Yakwa Equiapim Mountains. It's all about Okiapimai Ojra 2021. Abushia, Chill Out Jujumedia Bebre na Shishaso. On the 14th, Chill Out Ojra Aquaba Day Out. On the 15th, Ayo Ojra Family Day Out. On the 16th, Chill Out Party Train. 17th, Meet Me There with Okoman 97.1 Radio. Chill Out, Ewa, Ekropon, Ekapim, Enkane, Abrantia, Anes, and I say, she better than Chill Out, no. Your Divisional Police Officer in Chemupe. Chill Out, say, Odre, Bra, Niendimum 2021, Ojra Festival, Ewa, Chill Out Restaurant, Wakropon, Ekapim, Oria, Kayo, Yawoniania, Woodwobebre, both local and continental, Ewa, Chill Out, Odre, Ebeye, Desrungo. Hey, Chill Out, Ojra Timeout.
Oh, that's the one in the building.
Kaya, Sajumadier, it is being powered by Okoman 97.1 Radio. Yani Chill Out Restaurant. And I come home any day, bro. Aqua Basrugo. Hey, Chill Out Restaurant. And I refer for you.
Okumaini o Okumaini ye piani ye kramute to all my independent women Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1
It's now Miss me who dear minye Kwani 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 me mami mono Kwani kwani Yes so no Masa Masa Baby baby Masa Kwani 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 me mami mono Kwani kwani
Okoman Radio 97.1
What a man, what a man, what a man, hold on, come on, release me, mommy, call on. Please understand me, and as a man, I don't have and I'm idiot. Didn't I come and I want to make the wood. Say, yeah, or cry, and away, popcorn. I simply as a mess, so watch it, and come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm a name who's in a macasun soon. Then I was a mental Macomade, I like you, but I love somebody else. I like you, but I love somebody else. I like you, but I love somebody else. I like you, but I love somebody else.
Kwani 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 me mami mono Kwani kwani Yes so no Masa Masa Baby baby
Okoman Radio 97.1
Kwani 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 me mami mono Kwani kwani Yes so no Masa Masa Baby baby Masa
Somjoba, oh, Somjoba,
me want baby my punish me se me no bebo me no bakope na me hu se me no makuma ko dio binchen enti me hu debo se me ko
Okoman Radio 97.1
Kwani 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 me mami kono Kwani kwani Yes so no Masa Masa Baby baby Masa
Somjoba, oh, Somjoba.
Okoman Radio 97.1
Subai at the same say, what to me first year, what to Mutaya, a bep with Mr. Subai at the same say, what to me first year, what to Mutaya, a bep with my phone, la. High time, big time, hardcore, second quantity, metal, cities, Sefa, Naira, Dutchman, dollars, and I said, pounds, time what you cool, BPI and bullet, men,
We are Collision.
See, I just walk. Or Ricky says I'm home up. Your friend is I'm up.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Lucia, Wabipo, Nikuta, Master Brain, Yasapo. I can't kiss this home, Cinnabon. No sweat, don't fear to go up. No more fully Gwenza, Metapo. Neyman, Metro levels, slow by shot.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
I saw brought here. Toss about money, say, stop, or don't think me what, nah, Nana continue. Ever is it,
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio
97.1. Yo, Okoman Kasa. Why you say Oprega Jan and say Poloman and friend them. Yo, radio back compared to person with ya. Intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size. Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say Oprega Jan and say Poloman and friend them. Yo, radio back compared to person with ya. Intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Make us a mimi feel who I judge yourself. Okoman, you so na ne power ha. Meja ka say Okoman asokwa twumowe ejete. Ne to bar to bu afa
Abrama maneka say mom's joint ba kope. Amanfo ekufuru Okoman radio. Oh, moye champion mate. Okoman from bank enyo. Kenya kra ma say bia. Minimum ma bro kra no po awu anadwo. The so bia mtiem. Woni size what.
Yeah, our friend me kwabna boadi. Obi wo wufi ba kope. Okoman radio 97.1. Number 1. Bechi radio echi na yin de edutwa. Okoman radio e na wan so ye ba de chede. Ye na mo kan so ofie pe.
Your friend me Frost me wo ekugua. Day in day out to be a radio no na da. Okoman radio 97.1. Ti me sem obi bia amfani de nto na. Ni mapa e ho e ma munyina.
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number 1. Apora Mountain, so chedi count for. Yenshia moi, enkebede. Ruta, we are fantastic, and Kazakasa.
Okoman Radio Day, a radio papa. Taxi driver for BSC. To be a funny radio to Okoman. Out of radio to Okoman. Moving home, Pastor Wasso. Your friend me Kwajo Abrabo 1, Miami.
Okoman, KK for Sunni. You grab me ba.
Okono ya dini ya Okoman be kwa jiwo.
Okoman KK for Sunni miti Okoman. You grab me na ti Okoman.
Edamas Okoman. Is there try? Yeah, alert because we have for the name is studio. Hey, go be what they go from wow.
ACP Kofi Okoman FM de Pore Amantem aso sin edikanfo niema woreye na wogusu ye na wobeye no se yadeto nsani ani a na chese Okoman edamufu a won niema bia wo kan so wodi so achede a woche mi Kofi ACP midi hu adanse se meje mpanga bien dia ya kan se yeda won ase yebo won atena se preko Okoman de yetamo achi preko pe sani ampanin kan no o se ofie ni fie nti Okoman de obia enti Okoman FM
mena umpo mti
Pacha boko bibla
ento kete
mimi bali onzie
ni meti nyakana makara mena o late o asifi esro anawo
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Brian Cool. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayona Rene. You're listening to Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okoman, KK Fusuni. You can me ba.
Okono ya dini ya Okoman be kwa jiwo.
Okoman KK Fusuni miti Okoman. Udu e kwa mana ti Okoman.
Yo, DJ Prekeseni, adofo no mumfa mu radio no ento Okoman Radio na eho ye de ye ba.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio
Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, Mofo Fremi Yaro, Munti Akumo Radio da Edas. Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, Mofo Fremi Yaro, Munti Akumo Radio da Edas.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Moment him say, baby, na ye pay. So when the man the BBIF, BBIF, not a for it, but the Akatia, ya one yende, and you know to obey move penny, as a public job, I'm from Betty, Sikone, to Mugoni, I would tell you to more, but most I died everything, the swam, I saw it so be yard, the super name is super sex.
This is your man, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. It's this radio man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, Oplekese Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend of yo, radio Bakopa, no person with Tia, intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size. Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, Oplekese Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend of yo, radio Bakopa, no person with Tia, intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
In the Equia Castro, Mandela Market, Hona me watching Castro Bakopa, no size. Okoman for my jade papa, me felem. Okoman for my market, be woo. Oh, Okoman for my Jenina, Mumone yo, Yamama Jumapa, and then the palm of the abo man you. Yes, you cramassing tree.
Meja Kasa, Okoman, I saw quite to my they told bar, so we are papa.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
So what was sending a feeling it and Mami can a few messages aba. Na messages in me can fi Facebook. Okoman 97.1 our Facebook. Musu betimi at the wodi akoka ho. Na wa journey live our studio mu ha dwumadie ye koso bia obehu bi. Obehwe bi. That's right. Way African Kezo. I say loving the tunes. And I face Samuel Amponsa Pebi Nyampon. I say Okoman Radio all the way. And I Fred Yeboah. In fact, I know the Odiasa or sending emoji. Asapa no di. Na messages in there. Egusuaba. Emra so says me bomba de the latest in the world of sports. At the Bramo Aquaba Drive so. Na abrantia Nana Kwame Amponsa Eddie a champion sports presenter Miami Ba the stylish Kwame Eddie Fashionista. Come here, D. Atenase.
The finest. Mama, so.
As when you GF, you don't know how they be doing. And I be so much. Ojrana Bano, why I
so Johnny, you know,
that's right. That's right. And answer now what they want them ever to Jamin himself. For top 4 na be basui minim say obeka ho asem kakra.
Yes, the finest
just presentation we show no so ne ba nyina minim say tiefo be hu ne ekọ
mun say ene na watch be pe na top 4 no.
Okay, na me say me bobi mo say mo mame mbo
me ni team bia ntino
mo petim bi mame me wo amanfo nti amanfo fo mfa me nka ho
ene yo call United for players nti bia du
wo ko United e say bu kokumi Daniel mu ko akokumi. That way, dear, chiri boy, it made me about 30. I just was 20 minutes 30. They made me a bobby. And yes, I mean to me, but made me about
the calling your meaning. What's it? How many minutes?
Oh, made me about 30
to me.
Oh, me boss Sunday Stars. And make us do chromophobia and name
Sunday Stars. Me for him, do Mike. Sunday Stars. Me for him, Missy do Mike.
Ebia, that now, you buy a bow, Nifa.
More
Mami mo akwaba na na kwa mi abonsedi.
The finest major sona nidi kan awie. Mami ntia my first mother. My first mother, chief of staff. Madam Fremont Pare. Aha, Madam Fremont Pare, ono chief of staff. Awie mami ntia no. Na mi ntia my second mother. Madam Salome, CEO.
I know your second mother.
Ono ya my second mother. Madam Salome, CEO. Ono so awie mami ntia no.
Na hotel mother answer your why.
Tell more there.
Akushi of Akushi answer no.
Open masama na be fam say oba. Ya kwanda ho.
Enyen tokwa bia. Right.
And you know the finest.
Yes.
Yenko.
And 7 9 crowd. Oh. Okay.
Right, Okoman 97.1 radio. Eviensa good evening semba kumienu yentumi enfan tujwa ensono enfan mamu onu se wie na na Korea jama. Yes, head of sports ana nsem nyina so no watimi ababo ano ensono etimi edi amame ne be chase e free the Black Stars of Ghana enso akache onu se weekendi Black Stars ejina kono meme da pe 4 p.m. Ghana time na Black Stars ana finso Zimbabwe at the World Cup qualifier kesiepa ensono etimi edi ashisha so a enso anya se kumana coach Milovan Rajvad and so ahead of preparation and as I had thoughts game no and then no ade hye how do etimi ade agu akwama eno ada Black Stars and so etimi ball and go grow kensia na say enye fida go Black Stars and I feel so the boy Black Stars say mo only division 1 team ade timi ko boy na game no ko na we na Black Stars etimi ashe 8-0 na ene Jordan and Shebi na mum number 2 assist Abranti and the Yayeboa ebo go Joe Fameye ese go Samson and Abranti and the Fatau Shaku etumi ebo go players dodo na so no etumi ese go and so until Black Star preparation no towards their match against Zimbabwe World Cup qualifier no and the preparation no so a solid and also no etumi cost no if Black Stars ni be PM Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko and then O2 akopio Dubai na finish on pre-season training no etuma ko hihye so Koroko ekwa na on November 22nd of October 2021 na finish no mo di jumedi aka no etumi ato aso na Koroko etumi name 25 man squad eni omo de ko Dubai goalkeepers ni goalkeeper ndi de Kwame Ba dodo afra no wo ono ewo Samson Razak Balora enso etumi eka defenders no Christopher Neti Moro Ibrahim Abdul Ganiyu, Samson and Yusuf Mubarak, Abrantan and Samuel Apia, Augustin Ejapon, Andrew Apeu, Maxwell Ajiman, and Alfonso Patrick Asma, midfielders in Mudasiru Salifu, Samson and Richard Boadu Agadas, Clinton Opoku, Sheriff Mohammed, Richard Anasa Richmond Lamte, Fabio Gama de Santos, and Swaka Squad no, and Abrantan and Eddie Emmanuel Keke, winning midfielders forwards no, Abrantan and Solomon Safutela, and so Akahum, Samuel Boateng, Andy Kumi, Evans Adomako, Joseph Amwako, Dixon Afakwa, and Alfonso Isaac Opon, winning players Sakoroko, and so no etumi Eriko Dubai pre-season tour no, Tieniye players ya makomako eduonunum 25 goalkeepers no Kwame Ba, Razak Abalora, defenders no Christopher Neti, Moro Ibrahim, Abdul Ganiyu, Yusuf Mubarak, Samuel Apia, Augustine Ejapon, Andrew Sapel, Maxwell Ajiman, Anna Finsono, Patrick Asma, midfielders no Mudasiru Salifu, Richard Boadu Agadas, Samson Abranton Nidine, Clinton Opoku, Enso Richmond Lamte, Samson and Sharif Mohammed, Fabio Gama dos Santos, Abranton Nidini, Emmanuel Kayeke, forward Nini, Solomon Safotela, Abranton Nidine, Samuel Boateng, Andy Kumi, Evans Adomako, Joseph Amoako, Dixon Afuakwa, Anna Finsono, Isaac Opon. Into any players are Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko, led by Oranidi, other Dr. Kwame Che, Anna Finson, Nana Ponsa, coach and the Prosper Neti Ogun, Etima Bob and the other copium out Dubai. Now Finso pre-season tono, Etimi Akoso, Nera Sokoroka Kachano, Unuseni Omranti Munu, Etimi Fitimo, Akupimo, our Diana Stars, Abranta and the day, Emmanuel Adon from Pon, Akupimo Koroko, and I feel from captain Emmanuel Jemfi, and the boy Abrantiano went to Mantana Korokwa, Akupimo, Diana Stars, Sinti Emmanuel Jemfi, and I feel so Adon from Pon, Omuna Sono to Akupimo, our Diana Stars, and so yet to me, Ere Atu, yet for him now, say weekend, the finest, the biggest fight, Las Vegas, United States of America, Drante Water, and I feel so Tyson Fury, Basso, Memendea, our match 11 and answer 12. 12 and about 12. I just say you work with Siademunano and about 12. That was the biggest fight by boxing in history. Muno etime to jump a repeat or revenge. I know I repeat at my Tyson Fury and I revenge at my Drante Water. It's a Saturday big fight, to Las Vegas or United States of America. Drante Water. And I think so Tyson Fury. It's the finest. Send Americano. Yes, Nefata, Sama Forteno, and then so yet to me area to the boy, Koroko, and then Moko Dubai.
Nana, ancient Yefobio, Messi, Sebequaba, Nabe so Ababia, Kabeda management in Penina, Assi. The most ever says Sassica, Pianco Mania Bequaba, now I'm a shrub beer, and I bet me a hard green. And we wish Kotokotimo all the best. And Black Stars in Zimbabwe, and I'm a catcher was say, I think 2006 I qualify Echo World Cup. You share Zimbabwe for your African Cup. MC Trimudenti, Nanam Crofu no way, no mu yefimu. Na yebesre this time round the qualify World Cup. One man in your mobile. And can in the end of the competition no mu share. When so young chomu lesson, Bini Shomu, and Fanco a year World Cup. Me say, a month for be church say. Zimbabwe bars na de momo ya de pen paper and placard and atro mudin e ka game no bi what you say e ka game no bi e tactics are year before game e ka ho na North Africa e ho de munum ye pa ye hanum west east for na enimu ye nti wo mo e ka say e bia Black Stars e intimidating Zimbabwe for no if you don't know it let us say e no ka game no bi so what you say when intimidate wa no what me show more goals no set a record no the corner nim nti which Black Stars all the best medical catch say send your Ghana football air continent no media me da sujina me dada ni ara Brazil national team na support and Germany nana I think say which Black Stars all the best come Saturday yeah
right Abusiana tournament na baso odwai mo no teams no omudino yemfanto dwabio na do fo
the finest tournament baso odwai no 4 teams and ebe participate one abase Samson 2 akokwaso omuna the main tournament no your boy no mu wini akokwaso and I think Ahimbrom and Amanfo Ahimbrom Amanfo abase and akokwaso first match no akokwa
I will say Abase and Abanase.
Abanase.
Metin Abase.
Oh, yeah.
Twaso. Inti Abanase.
Okay. Akokwaso. Ahimbrom and Afinson Amanfo. The first match, Thursday. Okay. On paying for she say 8:30. In the morning, and talk up 9 also be ceremony kakra, and talk up 9 a.m. no, that game I shall say. I know I am him brom, I am Manfo, and I bought a opening game
Thursday.
And
me who me boot no.
We are 2 no and 3 p.m. no second match no etima ba ya kokwaso and Afinson Abangase where repeat of the grand finale boy in the main tournament no Abangase na kokwaso na quarter final ana akokwa so
I don't know yet time in here
2:30 na match no etimi akoso and the next day no at the third and fourth that feels the grand finale no don't say oh no bo to make your show many grand finale so no etimi akoso that's the next day Friday na Bibi Ansong na come out medals gold medals bronze silver third day and as a fourth to do nyahwe ye epe Rosalinda flower is even now they show was mentioned now Kofi international say but prize money that so the winner no 3,000 Ghana cedis that's it is kind of 30 million now second that's the first runner up second position no it's 2,000 Ghana cedis now the third position no 1,000 Ghana cedis and a fourth no so 500 Ghana cedis but already no preparation appearance preparation fee no one my team be 500 Ghana cedis for preparation fee and I think so no justice customized jersey quality don't jersey na quality authentic jersey and then you want so no want to customize ama various teams so no host account BBI is solid
captain's band you
know so I say and other items we can want what to me ama teams so one co prepare now and then I want to prepare Thursday we face each other our park no so solid tournament and no join so no everybody organized by Acro Farms. It's Yambo Acro Farms about so Dr. Poku Benson Yambo Nabaso and we know studio church in same one. So an organizing committee you know Ora and the John Peter JP and I feel so no Dr. Kwabena Ejapon Nyame Dr. Kwabena Ejapon Nyame Asamoah
Asamoah Nyame
Asamoah Nyame oh okay so no first
aka doctor
it's my fair finish it's in a doc senior doc and junior doc Dr. Poku Benson senior doc and I feel junior doc no doctor what's it you know doctor then Asamoah Nyame Ejapon on a junior doc and I feel so John Peter
oni abrofudi
oni abrofudi
you know oni abrofudi it's a nenu when you be the any abrofudi na na doctor no
it's no JP when you be make sure say nya be for head of sports and encourage man so tweetua na sad no live commentary you be fire Okoman 97.1 more fire live commentary baby ahumka obewum Okoman 97.1 radio
and vice president Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia birthday when you're 58 years
wow young we say his excellency the vice president of the Republic of Ghana
the second gentleman
of the land
yes
Dr. Mahmoud and our Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia you wish you happy birthday
na woda 58
yes ori kenina amamaka me papa ba kon me kokan woni benya asem but me papa ba kon Mr. Kwame Ata Achampon Mr. Kwame Ata Achampon do that friend Atachi ono na CEO Edema Atachi Constructions and then also any birthday now that for pa and his excellency the vice president into no Dr. and Mr. Kwame Ata Achampon do not friend Atachi and then any birthday young wish happy birthday na Bibi Ansong no fine so na communication director at the office of the presidency Ora Eugene Ahin also any birthday young wish happy birthday
anyway to what Jumadi no so dia yemfa asemsebe ento so na odra line up no abusha wunya ante ya yentie na yenhwe odra no line up no senia ebesifa akọ this time around.
Year we dry until the fall everybody has something to do and a part to play to ensure that we can all celebrate our heritage together. Until Monday, we're there coding classes. Coding classes is so the whole plan or the whole idea is that we'll teach kids to get interest in IT, in computer language and software development. It's not about the trouble how to do it, but it's just to generate the interest because sometimes IT is allocated to men, and there are very smart girls also around. So the idea is to have classes with these kids to make sure we can generate interest from all angles. So that's from Monday and Tuesday for JHS students. All those who are interested can come and register at Okoman Radio. Coding Monday and Tuesday. Before we go to Wednesday, that before the Wednesday, I just wanted you to reiterate there. And Kwalana are interested in the coding classes. I'm going to register with Okoman Radio Monday and Tuesday, so they can register this week so that we can start these classes on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, Wednesday, let's start health screening. Wednesday, any Zeko Foundation for the breast cancer screening. Palace for Culture. Thursday, health screening is continuing, but this time it's a general health screening. On the same Thursday, there are other few activities. We are going to walk. So there's a health walk, right? We are going to walk from the Kofi to Amanokro and then back. So everybody who's interested in walking and having fun, it's good for the health. It's good for the body. So we are calling on people to join us in this health walk. It's Thursday early morning. On the same Thursday, the Australia Day of Football soccer tournament is starting. We have a 2-day soccer tournament. It's starting on Thursday and it's ending on Friday. So Thursday there will be the opening match. I think the Peter can check the team. Same Thursday, there is inter-school art exhibition. So there are selected schools there, 6 art pieces on how they interface with Okoman, and we're going to exhibit these pieces at the Palace for people to go and take a look at it from Thursday. And you may also hear jazz night or flavor. Yes. So that takes us to Friday. Friday, we're going to start the day by greening the ridge. So we're going to have a tree planting exercise led by Osia. So same Friday, we have an eye screening at the forecourt of the Palace. So all those who have eye problems, Lions Club is bringing their machines to come and test their eyes. And then we have inter-school quiz competition. And this is also happening at the forecourt of the Palace between 6 schools. So we are going to ask questions about history of Okoman, general affairs, about anything that is relevant for the kids. That's what we're going to be asking about. So the quiz is also going to be very exciting. All the schools are going to participate. So we encourage everybody to be part of this special fun. Yes. In the afternoon, there is Mr. and Miss Okoman at Kiga. And then the football tournament award ceremony happens on the PTE field. Yes. So I think the final activity for Friday is beach soccer at Cinema Waterfall. And then in the evening, we have a flip bar live band plus Bubbles Entertainment jam at the forecourt of the Palace. Then we go to Saturday. So Saturday morning, we have 3-a-side basketball competition. We want to organize a playground for the kids to play. And then the biggest activity of Saturday is from dance competition. Okay, and then in the evening, there's a street jam in collaboration with Bubbles Entertainment, Okoman Radio, and the organizing team of Udra. So that's Saturday. There's always a lot of activities happening at Kleber as well, same time in the evening. And that takes us to Sunday. We finish the Saturday first before I go ahead. Thanksgiving service in the morning, and then after church, we are heading to Okoman Radio to have a mutual special fun time with Okoman Radio. And then in the evening, we have a boxing event. So the forecourt of the Palace. That's how we climax the Sunday and the end of the dry activity. So the boxing is the climax of the event.
Boxing, I mean, here the boy or ringing him.
Fight.
Right. And yes, idea, almost from March and a minute donzi. Okay. Na esiwo. Etino Ojrana Mubisa no Ojrana. Yam fast like I say farmer applause.
Yeah.
Applause. Yeah, damase. Omo na your official organizers. Edema this year Ojra.
Okay.
It is OBC ono no your organizer there. Obwa. Memo obi nkoju sikabi.
Say memo baby.
Sponsorship bi ni. Official organizers no ye applause. Ana applause.
Okay.
Applause for.
Okay.
Applause for. Michia
Ura. Yeah.
And
fine gentleman.
Netiati dom ana impengin for account.
Netiati dom ba.
Yes, omo bodu madie no pa.
Who's that?
Kwa dey say. Kwada say meti atidom moy munimechi mi copy one mi copy two. Say asa ya yinadi itino o ma yinadi school no bra bala the same team yo. Itino woni owura maso ene naboafo ene adwumayefo ewo applause eni nkomo wo kuma ha obetimi ni omadi nkomo enti no enko ba bia ma obi nko kan che wo se sponsorship sika fama no anase BBC ka fa koma no this year Ekwapim Otwira Festival organizers no appros
the kwame o ma ya de in fact ene football launching no 4 teams no top 4 no no cry na appros for mo ho na ora Maxwell which is very calm and very collected we cool no gina hono mo
obi no mu nyina ye cheche
okay JP
John Peter Abednego no mu nyina
comment in there it will shock people yeah we commentary pa
all right yeah say abusia etino yemfi hono mo so a na ye bomodi an be a shoe factory nso ano that was Endra Endra ejabo ejanya bedu ye fefe na wo hwese ne Yakobon san to nsuo egu su bio na ese nyame aye enti ye da empani ye no ma omode omadwempo omo bo omodian tutu omo chaw mu etietia ahenema ene mpaboa papam ebeta omampani ene adwuma kese a aba ukapem
owura opoko benson doctor ene ya papa owura
papa sorry
oh
okay ne yire nso ba
ene
Mrs Asari
aga crabin can kata Mrs Papa Asari manyanka
ono so ebaye aka Mama Shaggy
okay so papa ne Papa Shaggy
Mama Shaggy
Papa Shaggy no kwame no kwede okan Shaggy no nyum bi ye me de I wonder if God is a woman
okay mama ba ko ye me de was me anyway enti yada empanyini nyina se enre eyefe sanso na omampani fi wo pe no kopie mu ewo edukrom ena okre district assembly no ye bia no fefe na lighting system na nwumre no kra me pon adwuma me ko me say wa wolo yenchia DC edema okre district honorable Daniel Kenneth ciao onia se bibia boko de and fe yenchia oye honorable Dan Kwakubochi
and me hu no no she ewudin
honorable na honorable na wa she fubu no won
ana this na she fubu ana general she wudin no na
this the anya say
police ni bi ogina no hunjo frame man ko me se mante me se ni amante no general te se mamo police ni ogina ho no
right
police ni no
right I was na asem sebe no eha ene edi ni nyina ebesi ye to adwumadi no so enche the almighty Okoman Court abusia ye de bebro live on green live on Okoman 97.1 FM eye green pa ede enti no Okoman ba no wabomodi enso yasin ni ede nsempa ensemde ensembege ede be sum yi monko so antie ye na Okoman Court edua ensem na ye fresh te sa haba mono green pa yeba
Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1
Metro,
go be da. But keep money where the missing me to mention. Papa need to where the missing also can me. What you in the hole? Obe kese maskatela. Or ten Coca-Cola yo. Obe you do giant chen kwa achi. With me and mommy kwa in the J. Ticket. I love me down the J. Ticket. Me you know down. Me you know down.
Okoman Radio
97.1. Like Olumambu get here.
It's this radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'll be 16 years. I gotta be like this, so if you touch my Tino, I go tell mommy, oh. I'll be 16 years. I gotta be like this, so if you touch my Tino, I go tell mommy, oh. Hey, when you come, when you leave, keep the face on the radio.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Girl with once, now 16. What's to be your own area boy? Don't fuck up. I know they cheap, so make you try fuck off. You they hear me, or that boss go back off. Get the penny, I be innocent. Measure me cheese, niggas get hipster. I'm aware, but I show me bad nigga chest. Where you can hit me by the
Okoman Radio 97.1.
You touch my Tino, I go tell mommy, oh. I be 16 years. I gotta be like this, so if you touch my Tino,
we are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
I was 16 years, consider it. I am your flesh. Oh, yes, mother,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh, police will catch you.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Baby, you fine, you fine, you fine. Baby, you cute.
Okoman Radio.
Baby, you fine, you fine, you fine. Baby, you cute, you cute, you cute. I like the way you dey waka. I like the way you dey hanga. I like the way you dey waka.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Baby shake, baby oh. Baby
Baby shaky, baby shake. Baby shaky, baby oh. I beg this one I love us song.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say Obrega Jan Edu and some Boloman a friend of yo, radio Bakoped who person with Tia, intimate to baby a fan Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Shanti. Say you with a bonsano. And you with a bonsano. Say you with a bonsano. 97.1. Say you with a bonsano. And you with a bonsano.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Baby, you cute oh, you cute oh, you cute oh. Baby, you fine oh, you fine oh, you fine oh. Baby, you cute oh, you cute oh, you cute oh. I like the way you dey waka.
Okoman Radio.
I like the way you dey waka. I like the way you dey waka. Baby shaky, baby shake, baby shaky, baby oh. Baby shaky, baby shake, baby shaky, baby oh. I beg this one I love a song oh. So this one dedicated to all the lovers so. Hey you are all you friend you are ready to get the go.
We are blazing.
Today not today yo. Today be today yo. Today not today yo. We go see tonight yo. My belly, my head yo. If he touch another woman, she go get belly oh. My belly, my head yo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
She go get belly oh.
I thought I'm a hoodie, I thought I'm an antique. No. I down come. Popping up on the TikTok, my system, my few star no. I just so don't come. The one penas on and someone come boom, moon cotton. I walk far, Mako, make Mako, do Bako. Rain, I won't be that, shine your eye. Rain, I won't be that, shine your eye. Rain, I won't be that, and I'm way you are, but I'm not so your brand new, me and my yellow radio, don't live for the corner. And my men not out here when in a new way, the Ghana, Ivory Coast, Baba, Zumbi, Babasa, Mabuka. I like dancing, gala dancing. Because I'm in the Minion and Tantam, the Jatam, the Winya of the Winya of Tawayana,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm a Panamana, Massuno, Bruni, Pepe, Kama, Mahoma, Tiami, Bruni, Samensa, or Doctor, Young Tantam, Young Comfort, Ahomatia, don't go, Young Comfort to see, so I don't go, Yan
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I like the way you dey waka. I like the way you dey yanga. I like the way you dey waka. I like the way you dey yanga. Baby shaky, baby shake, baby shaky, baby oh. Baby shaky, baby shake, baby shaky, baby oh. My belly, my head yo. If he touch another woman, she go get belly oh. My belly, my head yo. If he touch another woman, she go get belly.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Amadeo, Ondo, Amadeo, Ondo, Amadeo, Ondo, Amadeo, Ondo.
The woman did that for your corner, oh yeah. Now if I why you dey look another woman in this body? Why if you touch am, she'll get better. If you move, man,
Pesa me kasa mimi feel ku wa you judge yourself. Okuma yenso ni mu na ne power ha.
Baby, don't shine your eye, oh yeah. Shine your eye, oh. If you touch am, she'll get better.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Shine your eye,
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Pesa me kasa mimi feel ku wa you judge yourself. Okuma yenso ni mu na ne power ha.
Okuma from Abantenyo.
Kenya Kra, must say the Pia, Unisize one. Okoman from my bank, you, Kenya Kra, must say the Pia, Unisize one. The thing they be where the love is sweet. Mr. Blue Kiosk, Mr. Bobby one talk. Bobby one talk, na make it can't, na make it can't tell them. Ayo, son chicoda, ayo, give me some pillow, now sing it.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Plakasa Jan do, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, Radio Bakopa, intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Ha, Unisai.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Pasa me kase mimi feel ku gwa you judge yourself. Okoman yenso ni mu na ne power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Plakasa Jan do.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Radio 97.1. It's station where the man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh, Papa, me me see a dear Sammy and Sabe the dance here. Usi you sit up, boy, Papa, no one man here. Me who galis na, me who so much up here. Hold on, mammy, and I can remember fire on dear. Oh la la, Sroko Tompa, Tina Pinti, Yankee Camba. Oh la la, Sroko Tompa, Tina Pinti, Yankee Camba. So told on my system, na bro, so daba, never rimbo. So there's come to me, cat and then Papa. My cancel, many bebom, or those you, many beji, or that you know, many besom,
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Breakfast Jan do, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, Radio Backup President, intimate baby, Okoman FM 97.1. We need size.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Wabria Shasia Pro, Medemacoma Mana Pro, the Subam Pentin was on the Sro, or Dynasty
Okoman Radio.
The Desabito Vintum, or coming one up the Kunkum, when it got that come, Miss me from, Woman cannot tell me some come, Bramini can, I'm in and I'm from, Hinny in a film in a Jimmy in a belly when I see me here come and Matia should do.
Let's go. Okoman Radio 97.1.
So me baby up a mensano, let's see when you miracle, miss you always so me baby up a mensano, let's see when you miracle, miss you always
The same case, Mimi feel who I have judge yourself. Okoman, young son, na ne power.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okoman from our bank, can you cry? What say, baby? Who is size one? Okoman from our bank, can you cry? What say, baby? Who is size one?
We are blazing. We are blazing.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, or Plakasa Jana do, and some follow my friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo Pesatia, intimate to be a Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, who inside?
Flowers on him, my dear. Who's a crophobia near break? All parliamentarians and musicians are invited to our wedding. We get the flowers on him, my dear. Who's a crophobia near break? All parliamentarians and musicians are invited to our wedding. And we will go home to our old.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère Miyaro. Munti Akuma Radio da.
Okoman KK Okoman ya diriya Okoman kuwaju Okoman KK Fusimiti Okoman ibu kwa mana ti Okoman
Mieja kase Okoman asokwa tumoye jijete le to bar to we afa pa
Nigeria I see that I like it I like that I want it I want that. Okay, make me know, come on, me know. Mini cry, mini tiona, got problem things, strings, them things. No way, wa ba for me. She can't hear bamba. No one, do a layman.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Break something, you must run something, break something, swing something. You must run something, break something. You must run something, break something, swing something. Chica bonita, señorita, ya conoce, chica bonita.
Okoman Radio, Okoman Radio, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Plakasa Jana do, and some Boloman and friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo Pesatia, intimate to be a Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, who inside? Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Plakasa Jana do, and some Boloman and friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo Pesatia, intimate to be a Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, who inside?
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blessed. Okoman Radio 97.1. Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Right. Time check is exactly 22 after 5. And now exactly the 7th day in the month of October 2021. Na minim baby amosha die. Awutie kasafidie Shamre. Aha yo Okoman 97.1 radio. Akwaba Drive. Etibon fanche mwana ma join your Facebook live. Network inti ate kakra no. We are back. It will bet me a joining on Facebook Live. Facebook Live no ye Okoman 97.1. Ni ekoso studio mu ha biano. Abushia. Wo betimi akuriche wonsam. Wo betimi atwere wo comment. Anasa ni a opesa wo ka. Awo your Facebook word ho magim mranso no maka ni pepepe. You can join the show live on Facebook. Wo be hu me kakra. Na fe wo hu eye mabedwafo. I normally asema bedam wo Okoman court. Ye be kasa. Ni a kire nsem. Abusi ahwe empem bebre wo hu. Echinje bebre de nsem bebre ne nam. Abrantie bi abomoden a. Any taxi driver bi akodi sika so echinje kakra. Ana fe yano kasai. Asase ye hwe ni yie. Ema taxi driver na ko catch Abrantie ni so behu. Enam yen search pepepe no. Abuhwa me no kasai. Abrantie oni taxi driver enya kasakasai. Yare achire ne pa ma oye no ho hwe enye ye. Abuhwa bi so. Adofo bi so. Yeso ne nansa na. Oni driver bi yi eye ensema no e wo junction so awa ha. Sika ho ensese bi. Driver mama sika driver say o ma mi sika ye. Driver say me say o ma mi sika ye. O say mama o sika. E ma samri sika ho achinye. Driver yin so ye bisa ni wiase asem nyina. Oso ono onfa abante nko ba bia ye. Ono so nye hweye. Ono so akofa ne dance ni. Mumi entie ne ewo mu abusua. Enti samri de me mamu nyina akwaba.
Yenia.
Baby, I'm moving back on there.
Nyami
kusukura. Right.
Modern body experience.
What's it?
Modern body experience.
Experience. What?
Any ashe. Oh, I hear the open. I'm sure we. Who's the car? But bonus, but good. Not car anymore. Any
Right. Yes. Maminko na mimbisa ununyamfui asempa esi. Meunso sebio or popo kakra. But mama joining me on Facebook Live no enya bu apayo se niedi kan no yeteko kakra but yaba enti ne ekoso studio mu ha obetimi a joining a live via Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 oko Instagram so Okoman Radio ana Okoman 97.1 and if oko Twitter so Okoman 97.1 social media handles in Okoman 97.1. Etienne number be right. Memo akwaba.
Kwame bejoso.
Oh. Edien pa nesi.
Kwame. Me on fami.
Asemben.
Kwame mi chiefo.
Omojoso.
Ni nyina ne se na nansani. Ena me ne meyire. Eye se yen koku afu bi a ya do enti kwa akosra afu no nyame adum ye gina kwan wan ne nya ka ana taxi driver bi adum e fa kwa me ne meyere enti ansa na betena ka ni mu na passengers mienu wo mu deda enti kwa me amra e ko na wo hwa driver yi e de driver kra kwa mnyame anim nie na yehu kakra portu osukronto ne bo na emu bran kwa me yedu ba bi ebesi ene yesi na before se be na driver yi
achinyejie sa driver ese mintua ne ka kwa me so matua ne ka
but one kasa wo discount man there
kwa me mitua kan sa na yedu ba bi ebesi enti yedu ya me kan so driver me si wa taxi driver ese me na ha na me na me yere ba yafu ani driver ese kwa me mintua ne ka enti akasa ni achinyejie ne nuabo ni niamaniama ni efi driver yi anu ba ya ne se kwa me mentwe na mehu enti kwa me yesa na ye papa mu eni esi ye kwhwe ya afu esen ba afie biem kwa me be na nsanie chese me ho mfa mehu aduane amakodi akwa me ama me yare me no kasa yi chese me tese ase moja kra enni mi nipaduam kwa me na America me se ase mra yedi achinya agie no driver ne kan se mentwe na mehu ento su se bia driver na akwa me bibi ekobisa driver yi a o se onkai se waka sampo di akere me no de onfa me nko ba bia kwa me eno na me de abedan Okoman court se eye ajajefo e wa ha enka bi mame na me hu se driver na ade mako ba bia yare
ento ogire nso ni e wa ho asem yi course na wo ka ni mo bi
pacho na metika ni mo
edien pa na wo nso wo no wo onim fa asem wo yo
sani amira kan ni de pepepe mira isika ma papai nti ya kra de
odi sika ma sika na blue and green
pacho sani yeso no na ye demand wo papa driver kra we
there be me percent here for insist anim
you na kwa no waka krent ye man 5 cedis
okay each intimutu ya 10 cedis mumienu okay
enti mi hu se mira de sika na ma no afei bredu say yes for me driver yi di entin say echinyempo yen si form kra no fi asika se mira ntu esika no so na mira is scam enti nsem ni mu a fi papa ya no a mira ntwen no behu egwere na kakra pa mira na ebubu agu ya chese oye no ho hwe ayenye ye enti mi wo ha na mi ana me say ya ribi keke nso ya di kan dia ko hospital nso ya hwehwe ma hwe wo se hwenye mira na chese me kari mani koma echi na asama driver ni kan no so on twen no behu no ena abami ya so de na fa baabi enti enhu asem
eno de wu ni nyina so enti no ora tobo
musimu nyaka nyame ade nyakopon be fa manko mafuonim
tobo
ade nyakopon me fa mo manko mafuonim
eyi bia
eno ususu se ebi ode wa
me se ade nyakopon munyaka na mujira wono nyakopon me fa manko mafuonim
me de insusui na me ni mi kunu susui se jama papai asama okan no wa pe baby e kunu afa
me sister nyabotar ne nkana semisi
meba also mami ko just
take plan
papa driver
yes
me pacho
me pentem de obia ko baby o me mam kacho me lodu
wo so dance ni
ana school for makwan
wo so dance ni
kache ana school for makwan
minim ana me say wo so dance ni
me dance die nie
what me cast who dance di o
what dance me dance nie what you say
na driver am pass wo kasa se me chira papa
me kaka enra ye twam ya efishe duasa tete years enra
yana na wa twren
enra ya tete years obi aka sabe wadawru mansam hunu bi nchira me ye
driver idu kasa na ubi wa no na wo kan
na sabe ka mimie masum na menka
nti wo kan
abatraka mu enipa fa me kan nyina sabe me shobi anso utua pe na mama onsesa utua mama onsesa utua me ka utua me ka utia ase me kwa de me kai process me kan kwa mo fro ye mami we na me kai no mami oti yi ana me ka on de chechire ni eti me ta fa no eti osiem na se se ne nkrofo push asema to me sui mami ko frɛ mami da no so ne kwa mu wa kwanta mpon so na fire I rode over the road yes I drove over the road one on fire
okay
eti omuka say ma bom dua say ne kruncho no say no if I go inside my equilibrium I don't remember
let okọ wa adwen wa
me kakra say woman say me fa omo me kai me bo wo me mu
mami bi
eti me ba na say Kwame say mu to asama to me so no if you akwa GPRTU national medin da ho mabonkrofodua okwa protua medin da ho na say gra me kwa say yen lodu me na say madam bra na me dia dance madam ka e fa ho adwen right what you teacher ni woni ntro teacher ni woni ntro pre mo fra ti bewu
madam me mo akwa aba
ye nua
what take any mo bi
me na mete front
you know ohun say
na passenger ba akoti echi
okay
no see ansa na owura na ne yiri
omusie
na de asam twetwere mi bu
okay
madam mabod me ka se won twa na se maka una
me de so obi abo obi dua so obi mo obi dua de mintu me nkyere na
madam kan kura yesa bani bebro
mpacho esraw na ka me reba ne boko
madam enti no asam ne se uhun se sika sem bi ko so
no kwa do ka de send obi at ne ka mu ye nyina me mete anim enti sika sam ne de mintu me nka ho asem because me krana
so ono so se we ne dance for driver
ya bi oni ebe me wa asem ni mu na ebe ma me kai ne e course ne se sika ne tua ne de me nkai ho hwe
wo hu se sika
so ne ma me ni ba so no ye time a wo start a argument no because me ma kwatra de awia ma kwatra de awia ma bre ma so esu me penta
ma
oh
driver
hey
papa driver
ma be for order si
madam nya botare
no mu kwa se me for
tie nwom wona sum wo be dey hu say obi di
sha iti mi hu say argument ne koso no so nipa do na mo ha me pe peace na me so munya botare
o pe peace akọ presby
oh na me wa from madam sini na afi
o ka sam na o be ka sam na to me so sa me pani me hu asama me hu
no kwa do ka de argument bring ni mu na me ma adwene ba ne ekoso do so na mom no kwa do ka de okan
me
okan
okache ni se
okan
na me jira na me ka be di adanse ma me also okan
me ba driver me ba
nche no ahyew
me pacho me ba o obi si me kan che driver ne ye friend Berima info Berima info so asenana good evening. Please tell the driver to calm down because the man and the woman don't have any evidence. But as someone mo say bisa say ampa say oka say on train obehu de.
No kware de.
What is oka?
And me say. Basika sam ne wasam de me. Ama pare bia mete ha. Sa me kase sika sam ne say wotua yo. Wonga ntua eno de me kase minimu asama na meboa because passenger ba kutim eno nunu si ena owura yi ne yire ebe free e we
passenger no me kwahwe ne kwasi wawu
meba
oni mba bi ote
meba
misisi omo saya me
wa hu iti no sana na argument ne koso no Ghana de ye pasumdwe yi ena ma adwen ba so den na ekoso mumma asumdwe nya den emra na emom wiase wo hu che say minya sukura mesumpa
so
mama me tissue
tissue area den
che say me papa no nyamfo abrant tenten gram ne nimu dududu de on ne yire mi hu se we nanansa pe wiase
ayo bon sam nam ebi kwa de obi ka
ena na ema
kwa me yeto otaka mo ntua ka ebi ode obi ka
my lord
my lord to me nka say ye ntua
my lord
yeah metie
chesa asam ne say ne me won ne say driver se na da na ni bre chen na obehu no anka ne ba ko o nti oba ka asam so nka na mete ho na mejo na me say eh enne me wo bibi ye kura me ma bre kura me fi ti e classroom na me
wonu kura ga akoye ni oba yi de so wa makura nka ye
sabi hu say se ma me kamu no kware
wa makura nka ye
asam ne e fa be be na me ka wie say driver Mr. Woody and Cassie.
What be you may we are?
Yeah, Cassie, the bibi to
us. We are sorry. What about to say? Sorry.
Yeah, Cassie,
the African when you many says, how do you see Kakwe? Nuka can find you.
It's a noon to our friend, Miss Media dance.
I'm a grandke.
Oh, there be driver. Yeah, Yamasum for what? Miss Row.
Won't you grant him be Yamasum?
Yamasum for Miss Row.
Says you would dance in your
fashion chair.
What dancing he say? Ampa. Oka say on train obehu.
Kwame that's the grand me refi say nyo no. Minimum no.
Papa driver.
Minimum no. Minimum. No, I can't do that.
Driver, me so sana dan na me ye wo car ni mu na me de ye de koto sre
madam me
na brand infa ni
madam me pacho me ba na me hwa brand n'animu na me ra
one man ka wira ho oni ne yiri
enya me wa
oni ne yiri na ka no ma to ma me petrol obeto kuran
driver wo de me wa sister ketua ne hu ya sa me de ni be ma na hu kuma ba fam
nyom jack be say no be truck am na hu jaka woti ma me nka
papa driver ye
driver man ka say ye wo
driver
ana man ka say wuti madam na wan jaka minimum
say no
de present do buy manimu
driver
you
say pressure bi wo baby wo de and na me rehye me wa sister no ne hu ya fa check me or the adjoa papa bi wo me sraw 10 gram me de me ma na ba fam wa na brand na sister enya ne kunu ate no wo bra
madam mesraw mami bisa driver ne nsemfo ami lebi na me metie for
busa na metumi yi ano busa na metumi yi ano krache
driver me say me bisa wonim papa yi
o Africa no doso
enti wonim no na wonim no
ebia no wa tell kam madam we no tell me kam we dey me kai kura
papa driver
enti driver mesraw nyankopon ni nipa anim ebe ya aka no kre
nyame abamu mu driver nyame no kura ye nyina yes raw
no kwase me driver ni
wo ka se obi
no kura de wo ye driver ni
ene nsam de tifu manum ba ni nsam de tifu manum ba
driver ya pa
ele mitimi ka se me kwa me kwa pray de okugwa de man filate ene mitimi ka no be hu de sen me ka se kura me ka se mo pray back bi ammo mama
Hevo.
Madam. So mami mo kwa ni ho. O pray back bi ammo mama.
Right. Mami misao. Alright. Says you say enyo no nti mo be dey.
Pacho e onu ano kan.
Okoman radio.
Se we bue wanu etumi akase obi be hu nko ade. Yen so ye bibifo Ghana ha say so obi ka kire wo. Akani ka kire say twen na wo be hu am pacho ye two things. Enti se wakasa no nko ade ye de ni kire ba bi enye ye yakọ hospital. Wo say enye hospital yare. Na che say asem na okan no. Eno ho ahia na waye no.
Right. Mami metie for embrem. Samri etie for mesem na musoma bem. Monfa mo comment nso emfa Facebook. Okoman 97.1. Obo Okoman radio 97.1 a. Ubenya ye live o Facebook. Ne ekoso wo video mu asani abrante na ye kra wa ha no mobo. 0270191971. Mami for frefo dika wa homa no so. Odi shebe ni. Eyewua.
The finest and now come in Paris.
Champion ye. Na wan kasa fi.
Why. Ebi wo ufi like tobacco.
Ebi wo ufi papa na bibi aboko de.
Boko na me yara bo nyankopon do me wuye.
Ye de rade ase. Okoman ni.
Okafimanga no.
Ode se che wadwe wasemi ho.
Won ma semi.
Da biji se o ka che me.
Nya ber ma samu e sa be se pan ko nyina na o ka she o benya ka ko. Taxi driver no so won ka. I need to one train in the wood. And a papa and the years to say, yet tia woka. It is a taxi driver, maybe an long and Chanica, and Tinano, and now say, or the actual money in the and walk away in the family baby. The battle sort of say, you will be a bar, you'll be able to go thinking also, or better my catch the family, as some as in the pay, Kumini on Yamishi, but Kumini money. And so, I can be a taxi driver or Nusuban on Sunday Lisa. Okay, I'm who dance in the class, okay. My train, I'll be what they are, would it be a good?
Etu wo taxi driver na fa na wo oyiri okunu yafa.
Ni no fa me ni no fa. Taxi driver would need me na akwa na fa.
Me da say. Odi shebe ni.
Hello.
Me pa cho odi shebe ni, kwam tell ani ana. Osoro hini na bibi aboko de, kwa mo so boko de.
Boko.
Okoman ni.
Ukwa
Ode she Samri kasa mitie.
Open uni bibi.
Jise o ka che me.
Babu ka che fe. Yen dum sem so go be jina buyenfo. Ade so be buyen bi. Nti nsem do na ka che uni a. Ne mu ya de nti ka che uni a fe twan na be hu a.
onipa no na mo ebia no awu didaw na mo asema waka kire ni nti ebetum di asan foforo aba nti taxi driver no aye ni
me da say audition be ni
hello
audition be ni
Pata sama ya me ka se freezer
dachi boko de
na ri adom
sani a wa charge no to bo ase okuma ni
okuya se man sa no
audition
me pa cha ai ya tare say passenger no agidi so we ai o tia ya ada na brand ka so be hu ni yem so se se brand na abo ni dua hello
yo matemi wa super
so ni me tia me gidi se me tia na ka se me hu ani isuro iti anya so osuro so ja na di foforo iti na di anya driver na asem no ka se me gidi pass me tia dia ni isuro iti so
matemi da say audition be ni
Bacho
Vicky Kasafi
first class.
Oh, first class beauty salon for what to say.
Nyame adumu.
Audition okuma ni.
Okapmayano.
Audition kasa.
Bacho Bible say diabo a enni nyina so no enye adwuma. Inti say passenger ni nim say otua sika no edema driver ni dia enso se ni yam se ni titani a sister ne kan no enso se osuro na mom to nim se wantua dia eno na be ma suro no be ma tasasam na kan no e de yaro kura abo no that so did so otua enso se ni yam kura asese no nti no edi me nyini so otua e bia na fa na ni so no ba tena court we dey ontua na bibia to encha
ontua
medase
ontua
audition be ni audition be ni
nana kwame
eja kwam tell na bibia boko de
aja na dom boko haba nya ize
akuma ni
akwa manya no
wo kasafi ekropon sina junction che wadwe wasemi o
yo na me kan yin se tade da bana nya de twa na obehu ndi nya kasafa ani de anekwe no wanya de
kasafa company egu
audition be ni
kasafa egu
aye bobo de
oh aye bro boy wo trom na bibia boko de
body bi edi ho
akuma ni
akwapi manu
aye boy wo ko for you trom che wadwe wasemi o
yo we de me chow tazi brother no mahunu de ada maye oni de wan ya de but papa no so ni se wo bo because wo je di se wan ye boni a una ma wo so hwi but se wo ye boni de una ma bibi ya kakapa no wa hwe wachiri eti na metuma ka se tazi brother no de ma wo mu nso no kura so mo ni se wo ma tia skala ma na mo bia nso no
aye baba me da se eno wa je nkyere wa asemi o me da se pa we there aye boy elkofo du atrom yeah
taxi driver ne say on kai say ya fo ne car kra
so say on kai
kwame bisan say nye ne car number ena ye ER 55719
sa
bisan mam
okay
anya ne car anya ne taxi
oh kasa kra ye
unim chese asam na bo me pusa o
me fa me numbers ni to dwana me kai message kakra wo hana me samra mo so 0270191971 0270 191971 obi the message aba me kan na ma me kan Facebook message go say nana tell the driver I say nana I the boy have prayed for prayer lines against the man. Please the driver to forgive them. Okay, na just a person just say catch it. Wa bon paye na o stress driver no enfancho mu.
Me enfanche say na oboto petrol mama. Me enfancho no oboto petrol egu me ka mama me.
Driver aka say enfanche say dia na say asemo e kosi.
Siwa ba na yo.
Ana
unim asema na ranka mba.
Anya me ka no the message ni ba ya no. Me enfancho mo wontu me ka say me enfanche. Me enfa me say sinche.
Unim.
Okay, 02 maybe 0270191971 0270191971 now ka bibi madam
argument no ankasa no baby start fee ni ye meje obuse
okay
say na metua nti na ne ho ye na hindi dawo
okay
what I say ehon na me start titi feel
Madam kura zesi am we feel kura ka na oto ma me
it wo hye sa na me be mu so wo ya so na say ni wo bia e den aka driver
bi wa homa no so ma me for frefo yi odi hye be ni
odi hye atakwaje ni o every na say
na bibia bokọ de masata
aja dom na fi bia kama
Okuma ni
o kwa man san be enye be kura
me da say odi hye che wadwe wasemi o
asemi dia asem na simple obi ka sana se unu se onye bone a unzuro ngijabo no abonye no anya da ne boy ndi unzuro dia asembie ni ho ba cho ngaba no ampa na ka no ngwan do asembie ni ho me da
se o se oda se wa ha na driver
yes sir
wakasa ali bia kasa
the car number no na
da bia your car number ni ekoso no
mante ai Manti kura
0270191971
ka number no so kwa me enra ena board no e trust no issue to ye no ni nyina paper nti the ka number no ka no I don't remember menkai
anyway asem edikon it's a taxi driver any passenger nya akasakasa de fasika ho wa mama sika we si me ma uskai we si wa mama sika we si me ma uskai we si mama uskai ema ne yire abedi adanse sampa akasakasa koso sa ana fe enu achi no madam nso ofa na not front madam no so taxi driver ne ka say on train obehu no behu okay mami for frefo wa homa isi patwa fra say na kasafi
patwa say
Mavis kasafi
first class saloon.
Na bibi aboko there.
I tell you.
Maybe shawadwe wasemi o.
Me pato en na sister no nuku no man tue scan. Na diabo na nya no be wu.
Mamodua me kaso be hu kasi modua de asa o kasa ma hema no.
E ke so friend nsu maku se bonidua.
Mamodua me kaso be hu keke. Mamodua.
Oh kulu.
Okay.
Oh bra.
Yo, mate me da say eno adwen kire.
Sika no kra ya.
Okay. 0270191971. 0270191971. I'm the first class for charge pa. Mami for frefo yo wa homa iso. Odi she be ni.
Remember do nyina kekiri.
Oberhame o ha mitia edo.
Oh, mi abitimu.
Asa tete brasba no. Ubo mi mi. Okuma ni.
Oh, crappy man.
Okay, chawadwe wasemi o.
Oh, bema we papa driver no onya botre na onka kan. Ebi atomida. Nti se onkai se papa ni bi skane man onka so de man na asunje mara
me da se odi shebe ni
ACP ni o mi ta fa fi ekropo I don't take
lieutenant na bibi aboko de
am ya do na we ka di wete menka
vim wom okuma ni
o fie pe
odi se chawadwe wasemi o
Yamaka ni say taxi driver no onya ntubu ase taxi pa na kasa bi ho ha o ka fiwaru ya ewetimi de atama brew esan so nipa na mu ne yesa na amoa ne sa na nipa no na mo no oni ha de na asem nam ana say owu eben no wo de wa no kwa kan pe o tina pe wo point wi sa asemachi no ka say e bi kwa na o kan keke tina no de wa nkan ye
ACP be da say eno wadwen kire Samri ACP say
ACP no ni ho o ka se man kan ye didi na se ogina ho so ogina ho na me kan ye dia fine
ono ka je the
driver me
se man kan ye so ogina ho dia
jetum na ne aka wa chi bia ne siesie
minyi dantum okra
jetum
ja okra se me sha okra me bon si okra gu so ba ma bon se
02701971
mo fa che pama me sa na mi hunu ne because that's na ye heated argument mi hu say still driver
adanya na problem ye nyina ye ko suku anka beka heated agreement ni bi
na wo enya na mete say o ka wo equilibrium no
and there's a I'm track and mama come it
I'm say obeka modulo
omuka mete omuka brofo na mete anya fe na megu me hwani mase
yo oh we are the mum
anya na megu me hwani mase
we are the
me paucho enti say see atiefo say ma okoma mra
fa atiefo mo yen fo amatokada
ma me for the shebi
amatokada
ade shebe ni
Pacho me de Esther me say to sama so
kwa mo so boko de Esther
Pacho yo
okoma ni
Osamayano
ade sheche wadwe wasemi o
na mekata Brian say ebia netuka no wentia ana say bia wa yo bibi ana nipa na ya na de na bia other sectors da ba na asem na okan e ba na sectors da ba na okan ne keke nse ba no onka kan team e ba no
ni film you can film why you bibi
me ne how me say obi aka say yeyam hihye yen yesuro if say
okay me da se wo kwa mo so ma me fa foforo wo awman so oh wentimi anyina so 0270191971 wo hwa driver yi na ebusuan for mo ni sana na
driver ne car number cross is you happy pam kwame
na nsuo kura to ama achi mota nsuo yiri ho na car number plate ene ntumi nyinko ena wo ne na nsuo to achi mota ko achi mota
se se car number na eyiko ana say pepa na pepa
mama nka message
we say me na me sha brand tintingram
mama nka message you say good evening boss you are doing great work big ups to your crew Troflos Inside Safari and assembly on so edina adwenchire ediaba 0270191971 0270191971 enene asem no na mami mbisa o driver obeji atum se sebio okay mami fo ofrefo yi ewa homa so ode she be ni
nana di cross sign
nana bibi aboko de ode she
boko
oyini muwa oyini muwa ya jo so na oyini kasafi samri
kasafi daw
okay
right
oyini cha na adwo wasemi o
mumpa tesida ba no chona muntu no fo se na de du abosam de o kan we ya obi kura yen fa ni agro yen so se we oba mi anka me jini dwan e ma me de na basa koma no nti ya mo nka sa biem udi asam ta na on fa bibi anche nti so hwe na be ha na on frɛ the youngest odikuru among the odikuru fo na me ntua ma me ka scan man no nya di abo no
wa bajo mi sana na asem na on ko afom ba ya me ka no mo foro ye na bajo mu fi afom ba me ka no mo foro ya na
oh anya sa ha me
na mi sa mo ba no e bia ne mo ba no mforo ye no eno so yemfie driver ne mi sa na se ne mo ka asem agu me su ye bajo mi dwan bro nya mpa bo sika gra me nya e ahun esa na mo pia me asem na me nye anya me
right eti sabre mefa the last caller na media frefo na si 0270191971 any number no driver I'm say emrinity is exactly 54 after 5 media frefo ni ebesi ha enne na ye nyina suehunu a ewo ade ye mu no ye ne adofo ache 1 minute minsha se fi o maso
ene asem sani yesi fatino asem ne meka che etiefo kakra ne se yanu edi mekodi nchine no etumi ye niam bebre
okay
ebi ya na okan no wanka no kwan bone so but esan so odi ebufu na ekan ti enya impact anase enya nyina so ampama etumi aye mekunu bibi nti no yen hu sani ayede ya no nsem ayede ya no beka na yen se yede ya no
eka ye da say madam
hello
what's 1 minute bone tofa
ma sami etieti Ghana haye pasumdwe enna mesrew eseso obi obodua ana oka asem oka case no ese ohun se wo ye na enya obi a honhom na esa woda so ababefa busuani na ode na da ase nti ohun secret wo de akiri e betra so mentu aso ohun fi bi mu a sebio de bia obi a woda ho a wo misa won hwe won anu ye wo kese obi a ye wa be ye adwuma na emo ba beje na ase wo busuani na ode ne ba beda ase ti duabo bebre no enye
ye da se doctor wonso na asem we efa wo mpo ano afuti obayi
Okoman radio
kwa me kakra me kan se ahinyeje de tumi ba ba yenhwe se enkowie bone
okay
te se ne na de ekowie maybe ebiana enfi ono efi be foforo by ekwan nam so a ono so ko kan no saa no ena ama eyi nyina ba
akoba
enti ye be stress ya no ye hwe ni ye
all right me da say osofo
kwame
we de sofo bible ni nyina yakuta o
se
tidwam
enchia atiefo a efre nyina o se yetudin bible mu din ahodo nyina yeto Abednego Shadrach Meshach mu nyina yeto ba won te se obi ato Judas da enam na Judas ye Yesu nti ebi anaka Yesu be wunu wo dada na Judas yi ko bo no humusuo se papa yi mu mfa no mfa me so me ko fe na no na makogye hu sika enti kwa me sabi
ka no kra wantimi ani wani bi
yeah enti sabi ebi na obi onipa no sabi me ka sabi bebre ebi a obenya na asam dada ebi a obewunu ni wo dada na akofa wo so anyo akofa wa gidin bone one obi me ware ofie obi meto ade ofie o ka akura na hwe obi emfuru bi
obi me ware wo ofie
ye ofie obi me ware cause asemasi we de ofie wo de wo ye ya na egbodu o wo ye ya de nso gu fam wo ye ya ye wo se wo ye ya pa ya to ase egu so ye bon nsem egu so wo ti ase anhwa ne wo nkwa ba ye nti na akoyensa na ho ama wasefo nyina endo na make quotation bi se yetu yefo a ye ntie na Moses tu Nyankopon fo ama Nyankopon tie ye kwa me ewo Exodus Numbers 14 verse 12 to 13 Numbers chapter 14 verse 12 to 14 obi anka ho no mo Nyankopon yi Israel fo ba omo ya asodin se ne ne ya asodin ya obi yetumi to ne fo me ntie me peneda Bible say Moses ka Nyankopon say ukuye e wasere so na se Misrim fo tia ombeka se wo sheda na obeyi yen se obekuyen so tia se enti no kwa BBC na etufo a na wati na makoma baby akoma do be kono anhwa na se obi bia tintu ya wonfo sa
da se sofo waka ni nyina asi ma menana me so kakra meka menana asem o ka che me o se ni enti a ono osi so odi dwa na obi afra ni tolege ene se ondi sika so achinje se onim se guwia ne dan se ono ka baako mienu no se still nto wase o se je fako ne de na wato nkrosan de ka homo esa ne se open quantity me no ka se okeka ko ne hundreds yes obi o tie mi bi onim mi bi anim no eti no ahweiye e wo ho achinjedi etimi pie wo ba bia asori mukure bi wo ho school ebi wo ho baby bebre e wo ho na mu ni amesre ene se echijedi ene ye kasa e ya de a eda ese ye hwe se wo ye bibia e friend communication na kasa epie fi wanum kasa wo de addressing crofo kasa sabi udu gomu a wo ka adofo hwe etie eno ene wodi bu waten ya from na na kwa me pere wo betimi from the finest e mema nyina ka chire ni nyame yamma ni yeda so tiase aboafo abu a me nyina me da mase ye besen hia me no wedding cry
Okoman Radio 97.1